So today I'm here with Superbwigs hair company. My first time with this company, so I'm curious to see what's up with the quality. So like, let's go ahead and jump into this package. Pretty simple, nice little design. What's inside today's box? This is all. We got an extra elastic band, and we got a wig cap, and then of course the hair. It's pretty light. I wish I had gotten some more goodies. You guys know how I feel about goodies in my packages, but hey, sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. So let's go ahead and see what this wig is, what this wig is all about. Okay, so this wig that I have today is a 360 lace straight bob wig, and it is 14 inches long and 150% in density. Right out of the package, I notice how silky this is. Very nice and soft, and it's very sleek looking. Definitely I can see that the knots are bleached. Love that. I love that. I love when my lace looks very realistic. It is pre-plucked. I'm not gonna lie, I love the construction of how this look already. I really do. So as you can see, yes, 360. It does have combs on the inside, 4 combs on the inside. Also have these things for the, if you want to go ahead and wear these glueless. So guess what, not today now guys, I am going to attempt to apply this wig with absolutely no adhesive. When I say that, I mean no glue, no got to be no nothing. So this elastic band here is going to come in very handy, because this is what I'm going to use to help to lay the wig. I've never done this before, so I'm gonna see. I've never fully like went ahead style a wig like full on and not use my adhesive to apply it. So this ought to be something. So let's go ahead and jump into the application.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that.
That is secure. Not gonna lie. Usually when I put in that extra elastic band, so here, I just can't with it. Oh, it's a sidebar wig, and it's on the side that I don't wear my side parts. So I'm just gonna go ahead and proceed to like treat the wig as if I would, like when I would normally put on the adhesive. The area that there's not even that much tutorials on here to demonstrate. Like you see pop up on Instagram, like people wearing their wigs completely glueless, but you never really buck up on a video. I'm gonna cut down this side. You never really book up on a video that like teaches you how to do it. I'm so nervous. No adhesive enough. Nervous about this. My first time doing this.
Said, don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly.
Because a lot of time, like for example, it's now summertime and a lot of people like can't bother for, the time is hot, and when you have to glue on your wig or put on, got to be the sweating and the lifting, you just can't be bothered, right? So alright, so far not too bad at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my little swoops with my mousse. I'm gonna tweeze some of a little bit more at this area. It looks a little bit too dense for my liking, so I'm just taking out just a little bit.
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're hearing me. Time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah.
Wow. I'm just using the regular locker body moves, guys. The regular locker body moves.
Anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone. I could.
Guys, I've never tried this. I am so amazed. Me never do this ever. Like, I cannot recall doing this. I would never imagine that it would maybe. I feel like me putting on the extra elastic band, because I don't really usually use those, because I just feel like that would like usually just be too much for me. So I don't really usually use those, but I'm not gonna lie, I feel like it helps a whole lot to hold the wig down and just fully look like it's melted. So I got my elastic band.
Be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here.
I'm going to proceed to laying the wig now, like the parting and everything. I love when I can part it and it can look like a real scalp. I love that.
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me.
You guys take a minute. Yeah, obviously I got planned, but guys, like, I'm stunned because I've never actually taken the risk to do this. Like, I'm just always like, I'm gonna do it because I go work out, you know? I've never actually tried, so that's why I'm always like, yo, don't doubt yourself until you try something. Even if you fail at it the first time, keep at it if you really want it, because listen, this is a prime example of that. Like, I've never tried about myself. You think that can work? Look at it. You would. Okay, let's put it to the test. You ready? Alright. Look at that. Look at that. What else? What else? Oh my god. I've never done that. Like, give this video a thumb up if you think that's lit. Like, if this was informative. The side, I did a side part. If you know, sometimes you probably do a center part to cover up the side imperfections. But your sis is rocking a whole side part. That's how the hair is looking. It looks very luscious. It moves like butter. Okay, it's very nice, very even. I'm good with this length. A bob is always a plus for summertime. Plus, it's glueless, completely glueless. That's another plus why this wig is perfect for the summertime, because you don't need any glue, any spray, any gel to let it stay. You know, like, and it's way less time consuming. Way less time consuming. This is lit. So for all the people that have been requesting this kind of video, here it is. Let me know what you think. That's pretty much it though. I'm gonna list the specifications of this wig down below in the comment section. In the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. You get this wig for yourself if you're interested. Superbwigs, big up on yourself because this is lit. I love it. I love it. I love it. Absolutely no glue. No nothing. Look at that. Also guys, don't forget you can also put this wig up in a ponytail. You can do your half up, half down because it is a 360 wig, don't forget. So yeah, just to remind you. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate the support, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, I'm gonna say bye.